Today we will discuss about Michaelis-Menten equation. Simply MM equation. First, enzyme binds with the substrate. Reversible reaction K1, K minus 1. Enzyme substrate will be formed. After the enzyme substrate complex, finally productions of product in the presence of K2. Enzyme E, it's denoted as enzyme. S, it's called as a substrate. ES, enzyme substrate. P is nothing but product. K1, K minus 1, K2, it's called as a constant. First, the rate of formation of ES. The rate of formation of ES. How do they are formed ES? The rate of formation of ES K1 ES. The rate of breakdown of ES K minus 1 ES plus K2 ES. The rate of formation of ES is always equal to the rate of breakdown of ES. First, this is the first equation as well as the second equation. 1 is equal to 2. So K1 ES equal to K minus 1 ES plus K2 ES. K1 ES. Both the step, the ES, it's very common, so we'll take separately. Next one, E, they separated enzyme substrate complex K minus 1, the constant value K1. The constant K minus 1 K2 by K1, it denoted as Km. So it's denoted as K minus 1 plus K2 by K1 in the place of Km. So that is the third equation. The value it will apply to the third equation. ES by ES equal to Km. Km ES by ES. Enzyme is equal to initial enzyme minus enzyme substrate complex. Enzyme is always equal to initial enzyme minus enzyme substrate complex. So this is the fourth step. This is the fifth one. The fifth one, it substitute in fourth equation. Km E0 minus ES divided by ES. The cross multiplication Km ES E0 S minus ES Next step, Km Es plus Es S equal to E naught S. The both the step, the Es it's common. Km plus S E naught S. Es E naught S divided by Km S. V naught equal to K2 Es. It's nothing but initial velocity. V naught is nothing but initial velocity. The initial velocity is always equal to the constant value and enzyme substrate complex. So this is the sixth step. This is the seventh one in sixth equation. So V naught equal to K2 E naught S divided by Km plus S. So the maximum velocity is always equal to K2 E naught. So the reaction, this is the eighth step. This is the ninth one. Ninth equation in eighth step. So V naught, V max S divided by Km plus S. If S equal to S naught, if S equal to S naught means that is V naught V max S naught divided by Km plus S naught. That is the substrate is equal to initial substrate value. So the final equation V naught equal to V max S naught Km plus S0. Next one, this is the Michaelis-Menten equation. After the V naught is equal to of V max. That is the initial velocity is always equal to the of maximum velocity. So here the final step is the 10th one. This 10th one, the reaction, the 11th one, V naught initial velocity is equal to of V max. The 11th equation, substitute enter into the value into the 10th equation. Of V max equal to V max S0 Km plus S0. So the cross multiply of V max Km S0 V max S0. So always they having the multiplication in the place of center means of V max Km of V max S0 V max S0. Of V max Km V max S0 minus of V max S0. It's a simple term. V max 1, the V max is nothing but that is a 1. 1 V max S0 is minus 2 of V max means the value is of V max S0. This side of V max Km. You know that of V max same means the equal, the remaining Km is equal to initial substrate. So always the Michaelis constant is equal to the initial substrate. These are the Michaelis equation. Thank you all.